Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to create a custom jig for drilling drawer slide holes using our SW3 work table. The table has 3 reference points: the top scale with 0 in the center, the middle scale with 0 on the left side, and the bottom scale with 0 on the right side. The table includes 2 interchangeable panels. One has predefined holes, which we'll explain in upcoming videos. The second one is designed for creating your own custom jig. So let's move on to making that jig. Depending on the drawer slide brand you're using, define the distance to the first slide from the bottom of the cabinet. Position the panel at the correct measurement and insert the locking plate. The plate is designed so that each hole shifts the panel by exactly 1 millimeter. Align the drill bit with the panel's edge using a square. Once aligned, secure the square and drill the hole. We've drilled the hole for the first slide. Now align the panel and secure it in place. Next, remove the positioning pin and insert the spacer you plan to use between the drawer fronts and the front panel. In our case, the distance between the fronts is 3 millimeters. Repeat the process as you did when drilling the first hole. To drill the third hole, add another front panel with the spacer and repeat the process. Now do the same on the other side of the table and drill 3 identical holes in the same way. The jig is now ready to use. With this method, we've achieved identical spacing between the drawer slides. Now let's move on to drilling the holes in our panel. For this, we'll use the tower jig. The first hole in the tower is 37 millimeters from the bottom, and each next one is spaced 32 millimeters apart. Depending on the depth of your drawer slide, mark the appropriate holes on the tower. Now all that's left is to transfer those marked positions from the tower to your panel. The The axis of the holes in the drill guide rails attached to the tower is offset from the center by 27 millimeters and 32 millimeters. In our case, we will position the guide so that the 27 millimeter measurement is from the top. Position the tower so that the drill is at the 0 point. Next, secure the tower with pins. See you in the next videos.